A day at the park. It is a sunny day. The Wilson family wants to go to the park. Mom, Dad, Sam, and Lily get ready. They pack food, drinks, and games. Sam brings a soccer ball, and Lily brings her kite. They all feel happy. The family arrives at the park. The sky is blue, and the trees are green. Birds sing in the trees. Many people are at the park. Some are walking, and some are running. The Wilsons find a nice spot under a big tree. Mom spreads a blanket on the grass, and they all sit down. The grass feels soft and cool. First, they have a picnic. Mom opens the food. There are sandwiches, apples, and cookies. They also have lemonade to drink. Sam eats a ham sandwich, and Lily eats a peanut butter sandwich. These sandwiches are so good, says Sam. Everyone laughs. They all eat together, talking and smiling. After lunch, it is time to play. Sam takes out his soccer ball. Let's play, he says. He kicks the ball to Lily. Lily runs and kicks the ball back to Sam. They play soccer while Mom and Dad watch. Good job, Sam. Good job, Lily, says Dad. Sam feels happy when he hears this. Then, Lily wants to fly her kite. She runs with the kite, and it goes up into the sky. The kite is red and blue, and it moves with the wind. Look, Mom. Look, Dad. Lily says. The kite flies high above the trees. Mom and Dad clap. Lily feels proud of her kite. Later, they see some ducks near a pond. The family walks over quietly. The ducks swim in the water. Some baby ducks follow their mother. They are so cute, says Lily. The family watches the ducks for a while. Sam wants to feed the ducks, but Mom says, we do not have food for the ducks. Sam understands and smiles. The sun is lower now. It is almost time to go home. But first, they play one last game. They play hide and seek. Mom closes her eyes and counts to 10. Sam and Lily run and hide behind trees. Mom looks for them and finds Sam first. Found you, she says. Then she finds Lily. Everyone laughs and claps. The Wilsons are tired but happy. They pack up their things and say goodbye to the park. Thank you, park, says Sam. We had so much fun. They walk back to the car, holding hands. In the car, Lily says, can we come back to the park next weekend? Mom and Dad smile. Yes, we can, says Dad. Sam and Lily cheer. They love spending time together as a family. The day at the park was very special. Everyone had fun, and everyone felt happy. It was a good day.